everybody, this is John with Coach Marketing, and today, Nikar's asked me to take a look at the video conferencing platform Zoom and how your team can use it to continue your daily workflows with minimum disruption. So what is Zoom? Zoom is an online video and audio conferencing platform that allows you to interact with clients, coworkers, and employees when in-person meetings just aren't possible. Zoom can do a lot of things, but some of its key features include meeting scheduling, video and audio conferencing, live chat, screen sharing, webinars, and the ability to record any meeting for later playback. In this first video, we're going to take a closer look at some of the pricing plans that Zoom has available so you can better see which one might best fit your needs. The basic free plan is a great way to test out the platform, but it does lack some of the features of the higher tier plans and includes restrictions like a 40-minute time limit for group meetings. This might be a good option for you if you only need to hold one-on-one meetings, or if you're just looking for a quick way to test out the platform and see if you like it. The Pro plan includes all of Zoom's core features and is a great option for small teams. But one thing to keep in mind is that all plans sold on Zoom are sold per host. So if you're a somewhat larger company, or several people are going to be using this and may need to have 2 meetings happen at the same time, you're going to need to purchase additional licenses. A good way to think about it is that each Zoom account you purchase acts as a virtual conference room. You can't double book the conference room and have 2 meetings at the same time in real life. This would work the same way. If you want to have 2 conference rooms available, you'd need to purchase 2 plans. If you want to have 3, and so on. The business plan allows for more participants and includes many branding and customization options. But keep in mind that to use this plan, you have to purchase a minimum of 10 licenses, making it a better option for mid-sized to larger companies. And finally, the Enterprise plan features all the previously mentioned features with additional benefits for large corporations, such as dedicated support. This one requires a minimum purchase of 50 licenses and is more an option for larger corporations. Which plan you pick is up to you, but we often recommend starting with the free basic plan, just to give you a chance to log into the platform, look around, and see if it's something you think might work for your business. Beyond that, we think the best option for most people is to purchase one or multiple Pro plans. The branding, dedicated support, and larger conference room options of the higher tier plans are nice, but in most cases, we think the Pro plan achieves what most people are looking for, and that's a way to continue the conversations, meetings, and communications that have become essential to your workflow while working remotely. Thanks for watching, and thank you to Nikar for commissioning this video. If you found this video useful, please consider a like or subscribe, and we'll be back next time with a look at how to schedule and set up a meeting in Zoom.